Most challenging part is trying to get the fountain together, because since we didn't start with the flagstone on the seating area right here, now we're going to try to see how we can assemble it and make it look nice, not cluttered. So this is the first base of the fountain. We're gonna hook this up right here for the flow. The filter, or what is that, the water pump?
That's the water pump.
Water pump has been plugged and installed to go into that tray. And somehow need to hide that cord. A hard process, guys, especially when you started off with no flagstone. Now trying to cover it up slowly.
All right, we're gonna turn on the waterfall.
Moment of truth. All right. You want to put the cover over real quick?
Yeah, I need to put some stuff up
To sink it in. Push it in out a little bit more. There you go. Now we just gotta buy the beach rocks to cover those cement stuff.
Halfway full. Waterfall looking good. So once we're finished up with the water, gonna go ahead and let the water start cycling. After a lot of playing around with the waterfall, we're gonna go ahead and scratch it. It's just leaking everywhere. I keep trying to raise it a little bit higher and put in a little more sealant, but for some reason it just keeps going over. So for now I'm gonna scratch it and go ahead and buy another pump filter. So we're still gonna do a waterfall, but not right now until I figure this out. So I want to get this pond going. Water's getting dirty, so we gotta fix everything real quick. This is the new pump and filter I'm gonna be using. It's a Inpond 5-in-1 Aquagarden for a 600-gallon pond, which is what we have. I'm gonna do an unboxing maybe in this video or in another video, but for now I want to go ahead and put it in. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what it has inside. Okay, there it goes. All right. So this is the 5-in-1 Inpond. All right. Connectors. Again, instruction books. Make sure you guys read that. This is, okay, this is the pump. And, all right, so it has filters. And this is pretty big here. It's supposed to weigh 1 pound. Let me get it out of the box. Let's see what's inside here. So we have the black filter, the green one, another filter here, and you have the media balls. You also have a UV light. You can see the UV light right there to kill the bacteria and the algae. Just connected the pump to the box. So what I'm gonna do now is get, I believe it's this one. So we're gonna put the fountain, so it has two. I can put a waterfall right here on this side, and then the fountain goes up. Pretty good. Okay, found the piece. Let's go ahead and adjust that up. So far, this is a simple process here. I guess you can move it back and forth if you want. Get it straight up, and then now this one. Okay, perfect. So once you put this in and tighten this up, this can go higher, lower, just depending. All right, so this is 3 different nozzles. Okay, so I put this one, just a little screw. Then you have another 3 here. So whichever one you want to use, we're gonna go ahead and start testing out the fountain. All right, let's go ahead and plug it up. All right, we're gonna plug it up. Let's see the waterfall. Okay, so this is nice actually. This is just one of the falls that we could change it up to see which one we like. So this one's like the mushroom. So we're gonna leave this on for now, fill up the pond a little bit because we lost a lot of water. So we'll go check it out again.
All right, guys, this is it. This is the final results of the project we've been doing for over a month.
So as you can see, we have flagstones inside I put for the koi to hide. I wanted to show you guys this fountain that we got. This is the first fountain that, well, actually this is the second fountain.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you the first fountain right now that we were about to do.
Right here.
Check it out. Okay, so that was the first one, but it took too much flooding.
We had to get rid of it because the water kept on feeding underneath
Right here.
this area.
Right there. It kept feeding underneath, and I tried everything and it just couldn't
It
work.
would just leak.
But anyways, this is it. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys like it.
We're about to put in our first 2 koi fish.
Here it is. We just bought 2 from
PetSmart.
PetSmart. Go ahead and turn it around. They can see it.
There they are. Pretty
Right there.
ones.
Little baby ones, about 3 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in. We're gonna let it acclimate in the water, and then we're gonna release them.
Thanks for your support, guys. We greatly appreciate it.
And
It was a fun adventure, quality time.
yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and end it here, and we're gonna add more koi in the future, and we'll go ahead and keep you guys updated. But this is it.
Thanks for watching.
If you guys like it, let me know. Any questions about it, leave it on the comments. Thanks for coming to the journey with us and letting you guys know that this is the final. Wanted to show you guys the night view of our pond. Check it out here. You see the fountain has a light, and then we got lights all on the side here. And you can see a koi right there.
One of our koi.
That's one of our kois. We have a goldfish right there, just hanging out. And there's a couple more underneath. But this is it.
This is our night view of our koi pond.
All right, well, guys, if you have any questions, leave it on a comment. Again, sorry it took so long. We've been very busy.
We appreciate you guys' support. Hope you guys like it. It's been a great adventure.
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for your support.